The latest iOS version just got owned. So, as you can see, I'm currently on iOS 18.4.1 right now. Follow me and I'm going to show you exactly how to jailbreak it. On Safari, you need to visit uncover.vip, here O is a 0, so don't forget that. Here, you need to press Jailbreak, and then you need to click Allow, and then Close. Now go back to Settings. See, Profile downloaded. Press Install, enter your passcode if you have one, then Install, and then Done. Now, go to the home screen and you should see the Uncover app. Go ahead and open the app and here click Jailbreak, and now, as you can see, guys, it is just jailbreaking my device. Here we're going to press Respring, and what this will do is basically restart the device with Cydia. As you can see now, the phone has been restarted, so let's get in. And we did get the app right here, so be sure to try this out for yourself. Get the word out, because this is super cool. The jailbreak process was smooth, and installing Cydia gave us access to tons of awesome tweaks and features you won't find anywhere else. Let's search for something. I found a really cool tweak called Tango that can change app icons and customize their look, giving them a unique style and making my home screen stand out. Now, let's press Done and check if it installed successfully. Yes, it's fully installed. If you liked the video, do subscribe my channel for more tech updates.